Hey friends, welcome back. In today's review, I'm gonna review the Performax metal shear cutter. It's something that I just recently purchased at a local hardware store, Menards. Menards is the only one that carry the Performance brand. This is a heavy duty, a little bit above average. It's 4.8 amp and it has working LED work light. So that's nice if you need to see at night, wherever you're working in an evening. Has a 360 swivel head, cast aluminum cutting head, very nice. Vari-speed trigger, so you can go slow pace, fast pace. It's a rubber head over mold grip, very nice for comfortability, and lock on button. It even comes with an Allen wrench, so that you can change out your tool, your shear cutters really quickly. So let's get started. Let's open this here. Again, I need this to cut sheet metals here, you can see. And today I'm going to demonstrate with this, see how it works, how it performs. But it's brand new, I just recently got it. It's about $45, so it's not a bad price. Look at that, you see that? Nice, it even has a protector for your shear cutter blade. Look at that. You see the shear cutter blade in that? That's heavy duty. And then how does it feel? It feels nice, premium. Again, rubber grip, very nice feature. An Allen wrench, I like that. You don't have to run around looking for Allen wrenches when you need to change out your tools, your shear head. Cord is looks like it's pretty long, heavy duty cord. And let's see what else is in the box. You got your manual instruction, and that's about it. So it's a really simple tool. You might ask, why do you need a shear cutter? Why can't you just use shear, handheld shear cutter? First of all, you get a cleaner cut, right? If you use this, as later I will demonstrate it, and it will speed things up. If you're cutting something this big, long and cross, and you want something nice, I recommend getting something like this for only 45 bucks. You know, it's worth an investment. The shear cutters, you can buy a 3-pack for like 20 bucks. So another 25, 30 bucks, you can get a shear cutter, which I recommend you also need to have shear cutters just in case you need to get tight spot. But let's get started. I'm gonna demo and see how this works and how to cut for you guys. Okay, first of all, you want to have some gloves. When you're working with metal, you always want to wear a glove. I wear a glove. You never know, it might cut you, sharp. And it depends how loud this is. You want to wear ear protection. So right now I don't have ear protection, but if it's pretty loud, I usually wear ear protection too. And then safety glasses too. But with this one I'm doing, I think I should be okay. Let's plug this in. I'll give you guys see this. You hear the motor on this? It's really smooth motor. Look at this. Look at that. You see how it wibbles back and forth? You press this button, the LED lights comes on. I don't know, you can see it. You see that? It's a nice working LED light. And then this is your lock to lock the speed. Let's say you want to go at this speed. You just press it and locks it. See that? So those are two nice features on this thing here. And again, 4.8 amp, pretty strong. I like Performax brands because their tools are above average. They're not too expensive and not too cheaply made, and they work just fine. They work just fine. I believe, again, only Menards carry these brands, the Performax brand, and they probably have a contract with them or something. But let me get you guys closer here. Let's zoom in Very nice clean cut. I don't know if you can see it from the camera, but key to cutting this is you gotta angle. If there's a channel, you have to angle and follow the channel. That's how, looks like that's how you have to use this cutter. There it goes. You see, when I hit the channel, I have to raise it up here. It's like, when you start it, like I was showing you earlier, you put in between, you see that the cutter's underneath the starting point here. For the starting point, you got to put the shear underneath, and then the top, the holder, the teeth, and you just cut it. You try to do it with one hand. It's a little bit hard. Show you guys in the video here. But you see how I've started, but then with this you have to angle it up because the channel is going up, so you have to go with the groove. But very clean cut. Look at that. A lot cleaner than me using a shear cutter. So what do I think about this tool? It does the job. It's good. Has the power. So what do I think about this tool? It's great, and for the price, I think it's worth the investment. It cut really clean. You can see it's really nice. Of course, I still have to learn a little bit, but once you get the hang of it, I think you get really clean cut even without having to scratch it. For 50 bucks, 45 bucks, it's worth it. And if you're using a lot shear cutting, you're cutting a lot with sheet metals, whatever, this is a great tool to have part of your arsenals of work tools. But until next time, guys, until next review, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye now.